Nutritious diet can support your eye health for life, but cooking those meals comes with its own risks. Stay safe in the kitchen and protect your vision by following these 7 essential safety tips. Hello, I am Dr. Kalpana Medical Director and Chief Ophthalmic Surgeon from Kalpana Eye Care Hospital, Chennai. Number 1. Cooking with hot oil poses a risk of splashing, which can cause painful burns on the surface of the eye. To prevent this common injury, consider wearing a protective glasses or at a minimum using a pan lid to minimize exposure. If hot oil splashes in your eye, immediately rinse it with plenty of water. This will remove the oil and any particles. Don't use any eye drops or mother's milk to rinse the eye. If there is obvious injury, excessive pain, watering, redness, blurred vision, see your eye doctor at the earliest. If you have high blood sugars, you may be more susceptible to eye infections or other eye injuries. Healing may be delayed. Be aware of this. Number 2. When you chop chilies or use other spicy ingredients, your fingers will retain the residue that can end up in your eyes. Wash your hands thoroughly after preparing food. If pepper, chilies or spices end up in your eye, flush with plenty of water and then wash your eyelids. Never rub your eyes. It would worsen the condition. Number 3. Onions can bring both flavor to the dish and tears in your eyes. This is because onions are rich in sulfur. When you chop an onion, you are releasing sulfurous compounds and enzymes into the air. Mixed together, they form an eye irritating gas. Your eyes react to this gas by producing tears. Tears can help wash away these irritants, but they also blur your vision. And that's dangerous when you are handling a large, sharp knife. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to clear the air. Keep your kitchens breezy. Open the windows, turn on the fan or kitchen chimney while you work. This will sweep away the irritating mist that arises from the chopped onions. Or you can chill the onions for a few minutes before chopping to keep these compounds from rising up towards your eye. You can also use onion goggles with sight protection. They work quite well. Number 4. Cleaning chemicals can cause blinding eye injuries. Cleaning products are among the top eye hazards in kitchen. You should always wear eye protection when working with cleaning chemicals. Bleach, oven cleaners and acids can cause serious blinding eye injuries. If you get any cleaning products inside your eye, immediately flush with plenty of water and seek medical attention. The longer the exposure, the worse the damage can be. Number 5. Stay safe while using knives, scissors or other sharps. Sharp objects are the common cause of eye injuries in children. Be especially careful with knives, forks, scissors and sharp objects when teaching young children to cook. Number 6. Don't slip. Keep floors clean and cabinet doors closed. Loose rugs, open cabinets and liquid spills on the floor would be more of a hazard to your eyes than you realize. Falls are a top cause of eye injuries. Elderly people are especially prone to eye injuries from falls. Before you start cooking, make sure your kitchen is as safe for grandma as it is for the grandkids. Number 7. Keep foods out of your eye. Don't fall for dangerous remedies or urban myths. Lots of people use home remedies like applying oil, mother's milk, rose water, honey, etc. as an immediate treatment. Don't put anything in your eye that hasn't been designed for your eye use. If you use sliced cucumber or other foods on the skin around your eyes, be careful not to let the fluid leak into your eye. It's safer to use an ice pack or ice cubes wrapped in a clean towel. See clearly, cook safely and enjoy every meal with confidence. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.